Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing both sides, Firebase and App Inventor. Sign into Firebase, create a project, and enable real-time database, or Firestore if you prefer structured queries. Once done, get the project ID, web API key, and database URL. You'll need those exact strings. In App Inventor, open a new project and add the web component and any UI, labels, text boxes, buttons. Make sure your Firebase rules allow read/write for initial testing, then tighten security later. Next, connect App Inventor to Firebase through the web component. Set the URL to your Firebase database root ending with JSON. If using Firestore, use its REST endpoints. For writes, configure a post or put and build a JSON string from your UI values. For reads, get the JSON path you need. Use the web. Got text event to parse JSON and update the UI. Also wire web. Request headers for auth equals your API key if your rules require authentication. This lets you test securely. Finally, run step-by-step tests. Create an entry, read it back, update a field, then delete it. Confirm the database shows changes in real time. Once confirmed, tighten Firebase rules to require authentication and update your app to include sign-in tokens. If things go wrong, check the web component's status code and response text. Common issues are wrong URLs, missing JSON, or bad auth. If you still see errors, log the exact request and response to isolate the mismatch quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.